left the
It's day 3 in Hawaii.
Hannah's asleep. We make breakfast. Let's go.
We're gonna wake her up. Wait.
Y'all let me. Shh.
It's Hannah!
Hello, friends. It's breakfast time. Good morning. I was up though, and then I fell back asleep. Okay. Okay, breakfast.
Let's go, Hannah.
Come on, breakfast.
Doink.
Oh, it's so hot up here. Oh, it's so wet. Oh my god. Let's just eat breakfast.
Kadoink. We have the pineapple. No, that's not a pineapple.
This is
Mangoes, pineapple, watermelon. Guys, we also got 16 eggs, bacon, and the toast. You can.
Coffee.
We got coffee too.
Little watered down. No, I made it.
Guys, look at outside.
Oh, I was gonna put snack.
Oh, we gotta get food.
Creeps up, they go down, still dreaming, they hate on.
Oh, I need a drink.
Oh, hey, vlog.
Said that Luke, you're not gonna have enough room for breakfast, and then he was like, "There's always room."
Okay, guys, it's breakfast time.
I don't have enough.
Why do you have a full mango on your plate, Carl?
What?
Why do you have a
Yeah.
That's risky, Carl.
Huh?
That's risky.
No, it's not. Get in the camera.
Except you cook. He wants to move out, but can't afford it.
He wants to move out, but can't afford it. Haki wants to move out, but we're in Hawaii.
That's true. Guys, we didn't even like touch that tequila. We need to start drinking tequila.
Yeah, we have limes.
Okay, no one piss off mom. She has a knife.
Are we taking tequila shots?
Listen to your mother.
Yeah, let's use.
Why are you cutting the line right now?
Yeah, limes.
Everyone.
Then you find a chicken bone or sea ketchup or.
How much a shot?
I went inside and cried last night.
Why? It's a
Because
bonus.
Carl, you were getting drunk like 1 a.m.
Two open?
1 a.m.
She's right.
Those.
Can I have a lime, please?
Yeah, pass around the salt, pass around the limes. I need a new shot glass. Mine is in an egg.
Like, just pass that to someone else.
Salt.
Is anyone taking a full shot?
I am.
Wait, the alcohol. Wait, are we going? Wait.
Wait.
Is everyone ready?
Wait.
Wait.
Is this vlog going?
Yeah, it's. Hannah, come in.
2, 1.
Cheers.
Everyone, cheers.
Cheers.
Wait.
Okay, everyone, we all took shots at 11. We're now all alcoholic.
We've done shots at 7 a.m.
Except his new album, actually, I disagree with that lyric. I've never heard that side.
I have the hiccups. Tequila hiccups. Tequila
Okay, guys,
hiccups.
we all took tequila shots, and now we're all tipsy.
It's his
Carl's the most.
I'm not. That's a lot. And it's 12.
Wait, can somebody bring me my
20.
phone before you go? Take your plate in with you though. That's all. Breakfast was great.
Okay, let's go.
It's amazing. It's pretty
7. Burn.
It's 7 and it's gonna burn. I cried yesterday. Yeah, I know. Between 50 people?
That's literally nothing.
So
That's
the-
pocket change.
Oh yeah. Guys, look at
Yeah. Everyone, we didn't run out of the important ones on the vlog, so
all those on
yeah.
FaceTime.
Just basically,
That's nice.
I was on FaceTime, and else is kind of lame.
Carl looks like that.
Carl is drunk
Guys,
at
shut
12
up.
o'clock.
Two white people.
Don't tell us to shut up to the vlog.
Shut up.
We're trying to talk to Aldo.
Yeah, he's having a dilemma. He's having a
Midlife crisis at 17.
Okay, ready? Vlog.
3,
2,
1.
Bang.
Yeah, I love this.
Those guys, Jesus Christ, why would we do that?
This is Aldo right now. Oh, it's kind of good with watermelon though. Guys, you should take one with watermelon. That's good. Hi.
Update, although I'm
She
drunk.
excited to see.
Guys.
JC, I'm not following you.
And it's
Watermelon tequila shots, good.
Yeah,
It's only 12, guys.
No, it's
I'm
okay, I'm
really
friends with lots of
drunk.
But we're all drunk.
I'm
Wait, guys,
really
we can't go to the tattoo
drunk.
consult drunk. We're not drunk.
We're not drunk. You're drunk. JC, you're drunk.
You're drunk.
Carl, Cachuela, you're
Bowman, you're
I love
drunk.
you. I was gonna
Carl,
say
you're
something, but I fell asleep.
super FaceTime to you. Oh, he's drunk.
Don't fall.
And I'm drunk. Let's FaceTime.
20 minutes later.
If you wanna bring it down, bring it
Yeah.
My fingies.
Don't jump too high. Don't.
I can do it.
Wait, you need to get.
Guys,
Just go outside.
he did. Yeah.
So dumb.
Sit down.
It's fine. I'm
Sit
just
down.
sitting there, dude.
No, you're not. Sit down. Sit down.
Literally fine.
I gave him my phone number and Rin's phone number, and he said you're going to the beach, so it's probably fine, but just shut the fuck up, pretty much. Turn your bass down. He said we don't really care about the music, just turn the bass down.
I swear to God, if I ever stitch on him again, if I fucking see him, I'm gonna be their bitch ass. Get off.
He didn't really care very much. I was talking to him before he because his pen wasn't working, so he was chatting with me, and he was like, yeah, it's kind of stupid, but I just gotta take your number anyways. And then he was like, do you have an address? And I was like, yeah, in Canada. And he was like, I'm just gonna write down your room number. And I was like, good idea.
Okay, maybe talk to the neighbors and be like,
Hey, you guys are on vacation, you're a bunch of teenagers, it's totally fine.
He deadass said something to
He
the
deadass said,
yes.
Yeah, I feel like we should talk to the
he
neighbors.
deadass said, it's a stupid call.
It's a
I
stupid
swear
call.
to
Pretty
God.
dumb.
Yeah, it's 2 p.m. and
Swear to
we're.
God, if I see my neighbors right now,
It's the middle of the day.
It's
Like,
the-
I get at night when they're trying to sleep, but
Yeah.
it's daytime. Like, fuck
Yeah.
off.
So we don't need to stand here and bitch about it, we just need to go to the beach.
Do we have towels?
Go to the beach.
all the towels are not working.
So,
We have chairs and really, I don't know where the fuck
do you have the key, JC?
You don't have the key,
Is
Carl.
the key in the thing?
Check the 934. Don't tell our neighbors, they'll probably break in and kill us. Oh my god, it has a backpack on it? Does mine have a backpack on it? Oh, scored.
Look around.
Go downstairs.
Okay, we're going downstairs.
Okay, we're going.
Me and Kayla.
Guys, go to the
We're going to the beach.
Me and Kayla are going. Yeah.
Let's go get away. Wee wee. But basically, our neighbors hate us so much.
Did we bring
They
sunscreen?
keep calling noise complaints. It's very.
Look at your guys'
Yeah, right?
Look at my backpack. Hi, Macy. Aw.
Guys, we're going to the other beach. And
Running away from our neighbors.
yeah, I fucking no, dude. I fucking hate the neighbors. It's
It doesn't make sense. It's 2
p.m.
p.m.
in the middle of the day. and we're just having fun, playing music, being
We're in
teenagers.
Hawaii.
We're in Hawaii. We're in Hawaii. Have fun.
It's fucking Hawaii. Can you just mind your own business? This is not the Hawaii vibe.
This is definitely not.
This is not it.
Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. I don't really.
This ain't it, Chief. This ain't it, Chief.
Where are we going? The beach. Which one?
Second beach.
The nice one?
The nice one, yeah. Not the big waves, the nice one.
So that's the nice one is big waves.
That was just our neighbor being fucking lame.
If they were the same cops, then that's strike
No,
number 2.
last night the cops are not very nice, and this time
This time they were nice, so they're probably different ones.
Guy. Sure? Yeah, this one was nice. Why do all Hawaiians look the same?
all look
He
mad.
said Hawaii police, and I said, Carl, the police are
They
here.
all. Yeah, the next. Guys,
We're in Hawaii.
this is day 3 of Hawaii. We got 2 noise complaints. Third one, we're about to get kicked out.
Half strike.
One and a half strike. Yeah.
We get another half, we're done.
No, we get another half, and then we still have one more.
Wait, that's not, no.
Guys, I thought it's gonna rain today, but
It
apparently
did.
it did for like a second. Like right now, it's really hot.
Like, it was.
Really hot.
The amount that it rained in that like 5 minutes was
Okay, yeah,
enough for a
let's go.
whole day in Canada. Like it fucking.
No, that was
poured.
like a whole week for Canada.
Exactly right. Like it poured. That never.
Very nice. It's so hot. Too hot.
So hot. Such a nice person. Despite what some people say, I'm gonna be a bitch when I want to be. Love Hawaii.
I love you.
Oh, our friends are here. Oh, friends are here.
Oh, our friends are sweating, but they're told us to shut up on the first night. They're very, very nice.
So
They're just
nice.
an elderly couple. They're very, very nice. They don't actually care that much. The music just needs to go down. Me and Hannah are going to go talk to the ones upstairs later. But basically, if the cop show again, just leave it to me and Hannah. Because we have it all sorted out. We know what we're going to say. We know what's going with the neighbors. So if the cops show up, you guys just shut up and go downstairs, please. And basically, the music just needs to go down. I know.
Yeah, I have something to tell you. Luke needs water.
Good, there's some in the cooler. Okay,
Is this water pouring onto the ground? Look at me right now. Are you vlogging this? Are
Yeah.
you vlogging the position we're in
No,
right
look
now?
at it from Hannah. Vlog it from Cole's angle. Give the vlog camera.
How drunk is he?
Well, enough of them.
It's beach time, motherfuckers. Where the fuck are we?
We're at the beach. Luke, how do you feel right now? So basically, Luke's wasted, I'm sober. Oh, where's he going? Oh. Okay, Luke, go swimming, but don't fall in. Guys, we gotta keep an eye on him or he's gonna get hurt. We're in Hawaii. We live in life. Youngest flexors of the century. I'm 16 and I bought my own house. I'm drinking some Wagwa hydration station.
Swimming with me.
I'm gonna come swimming with you, Luke.
Let's go.
Okay, you gotta wait for me to take my sunglasses off.
This trip costs more than your mama's rent. I'm only 9 years old and I'm flexing on these hoes.
Hey, how did you feel about that turtle?
it was
Hey guys, did you touch the turtle? What? Macy's about to do something cool. No, Macy, put it in Macy's hand.
Oh, I don't have.
Macy, don't do it with your teeth. Let me see it.
Do it for the vlog.
Do it for the vlog. Don't do it for the vlog, that's cool too. Macy, do it with your teeth, please.
Last time I did it with my teeth, I broke my teeth.
What?
I love you, Luke.
I love you, bitch. I never did stop loving you.
Bitch.
Carl is so warm. He's a furnace and he's warming me up and it's so nice. I'm glad he agreed to this.
I didn't really agree to this, but it's fine.
Thanks
We're
for
good.
warming me up. Can I have a drink?
Can I have a drink?
The ring looks like mine. Hey, this beach looks even beachier even though it's raining.
Not gone.
Someone put Oreo in my mouth.
Yeah, is there more? Yeah.
Yeah. That's why you. I thought you were just desperate enough.
Oh, and there's sand on me.
Can you pass this to Kaylin?
What?
Did you bring the speaker?
Hi, JC.
No one put it in my bag. It's not in my bag.
Cole, where's the speaker?
I didn't fucking touch it. Okay, you guys are always the one who touches it.
Well, you touched it. I know you did.
Yeah.
That was.
Everyone throw sound at JC because I feel like I'm in that mood.
What did he say
I
about
didn't
me?
hear anything.
He's just over there
I
minding
think
his
that's a
business.
little bit of a cup.
Ready, Caleb?
Hey.
This is a cool rock.
Wait.
Ah!
You have to do it like.
Wait, why'd you do that?
You have to do it.
Yeah, I was showing them my rock.
That's disgusting. Why would he do it again?
Story time with Carl and the Sillies.
Story time.
We started once, we didn't get on camera, so we made him do it again, and we got that time on camera.
And it wasn't really fun.
It was pretty funny. It was fun and fresh. It looked fun. The cops have. Oh my god! Came to,
Oh my god, I got. Ooh. Oh.
I can barely breathe, but it's okay because I love silly with my whole silly.
Luke's chilling, Macy's chilling,
yeah.
Kaylin's chilling.
I can't.
Hi everyone, I'm not drinking alcohol because I'm underage, so this is just juice. Yep, just disclosure, that wasn't alcohol. You mean you weren't juiced enough?
I'm not juiced enough.
So everyone, we're on the beach of the... How do you guys say it? Poo-poo? Poo-ee-pee? Poo-ee-poo. So we're on Poo-ee-poo Beach, everyone. Here it is. No, this is very nice view. We got Luke. Luke is too juiced. Luke is juiced, drank too much juice, and now it's a stomach ache.
Now it is.
Okay, wait, everyone out of the video. I gotta take a funny video.
Wait, Jace, move.
This is probably the whitest thing.
Wait, that's actually pretty sick, the tail.
Everyone move. Ready?
Alright, motherfucker.
Get up.
Right.
Get up.
Want to get sometime.
Mermaid.
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
We're done.
Is it in?
We're done.
It's okay. It's okay.